I don't know about you guys, but I misplace my key a lot, forget them or whatever, and so I bought a keypad for the front door. So let's see what's in here. Directions, how to do it. Alright, so it comes with the lever, which is actually kind of nice. It comes with this plastic, for the battery, which goes behind here, comes with the battery. That's surprising. Alright, what else we got? Look here. So this is for the battery. This is, okay. What else we got? Oh man, that thing's heavy. Alright, so. Ooh, there it is. And can you believe it comes with one key? One key. That's kind of messed up. Considering it was $130. Kind of annoying. Okay, so one key. I'll have to get another key made now. Alright. So this goes behind this. So you gotta put the battery in, this goes behind this. Let's do our battery now. Battery's in. Clips in there. Like, oh, I think it goes the other way. Alright, battery's in there. That goes just like that. These are screws. Alright. This just goes. It's supposed to go in the other, but I have that on the door. Alright. So, this I don't need, but I have it on my door. Alright, and then this goes on the outside. This goes on the inside of the door. This, I need that. Okay, we're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. And that. Alright, let's go ahead and pull our old one off. Open the door before you do that. That would go under. See if I could reuse that. It's already in there. Is that different? I don't think it's gonna work. Shoot. Would have been nice to reuse it. Let's try to take this off. I wish it would. Okay. I think I could do it. Alright. Alright, that snapped in. Why is that? Why is that stuck? Alright, so I figured it out. When this turns, see that's locked, that's unlocked. Okay, let's try this again. This goes like this. This should snap on. If you have this door, see, because I would have to dig all this out and I don't want to do it, so. This faces towards there. And this thing needs to flip down. And this goes in there. So it's a little crooked. Oh, there it is. Let's go a little bit that way. And a tiny bit more. Okay, now I can release it by that. Okay. Now it's working. Now we're gonna take our keypad and get it through the hole. Get the sticker off. This thing goes through there. Oh, that's gonna be an issue. It's gonna, oh, okay. Add it up. Oh no, it's hitting the top. Can, ooh. See that? Why is that? Kind of looks dumb. Why wouldn't they put this at the bottom? I don't know. That's kind of stupid. Yeah, that does fit. I don't know. Well, let's get it on there. I don't know about all that. All right. So far, not too happy with this, but I don't like it, but at all. I don't like that that's so tight. I wonder if I can, I might have to notch this out and move it down. And I can because this is so big. Let's go like that. Alright, and then should go on the back. This has to go through there. This should go like that. Alright, this has to get plugged in up there though. So this has to come. We get something. Alright, this has to. This thing doesn't. That thing doesn't turn in there. This thing's stuck in. This is becoming a nightmare. If lever looks like ooh. Yep, that's not gonna work. It's hitting. So this little pin, push it in. Same on the front. That's it. Alright, let's see if it just works with the key. Alright, so the issue I was having on this side, you see the square? That was a problem. If you asked me to do it again, I couldn't, so you're gonna have to read the directions on that one. Let's see this. Alright, now this should slide in easy. And that should go in there. Oh, that went a lot nicer.
And then you have to put, hold on, then you have to put this wire in here. This should slide in like that. This wire plugs into there.
Works good. I think it locks electronically. What's the code?
964.
9648. And it's not working. Oh, that was the problem. Alright, let's try it. Alright, it's locked now. Alright, let's do the code they gave us. 8. Look at that, it works. So when you shut the door, it actually locks automatically. And you can open it from the inside, but on the outside you have to press the code in. That's pretty cool. Alright, that's how that's done.